McDonald's and Starbucks.
Right?
Yeah.
You're so mean. Does that look better?
Yeah, that looks way better. Oh, you got pockets? Lucky.
But you listen, I like to pick outfits with pockets. I was real upset yesterday. The one didn't have a pocket on it.
Mm-hmm. Mom's putting on her shoes. Dad has his Crocs on.
If you have any questions, Ohana,
Oh.
ask them, Ohana.
Excuse me, Ohana.
It would have been a lot of, I just used a little bit. Oh, careful, don't want to know.
I need sunscreen on my face because I don't know how it could be worse than.
We're going to the beach. I don't like this pimple right here.
I didn't put any on my arms or my real legs, but I did put them on my ankles and my
You're-
sensitive areas.
You're real.
Well, because these things right here are often exposed
Yeah, but
outside.
you
but-
said your real legs. You got a prosthetic one or something?
Here's something. Aloha. This is not Aloha.
Ohana.
This is Pearl Harbor Tours confirming your tour details for tomorrow morning. Please note that you may differ from your hotel, but is within a 5-minute walking. Oh my shit. Y'all.
What?
Y'all, Kris Jenner dead at 67.
5-minute walking distance. Pickup time.
Okay.
6:35 a.m.
Are you serious?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm serious.
we're gonna.
We should have did that yesterday. Waiting on 6:35.
Oh
Please
my
allow
God,
15
we're
minutes for your tour
screwed.
guide to arrive. Tour Mahalo. All right, I've been carrying that.
You gonna-
That's 30.
you
This
finna
is
die.
30.
You can tell me I told you so. You do it every single day.
Let them dogs out, bro.
Why is she laughing at us?
It's funny.
We done?
Dude, we only have half a back. Do you have enough? So maybe we should have done that.
My hair is so pink in the sun.
Where's my tannin vitamin?
It's right
Right
there.
over here, fool.
You gonna take one out?
No, I'm not taking one.
You were scared?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna burn them.
I mean, I've never gotten burnt from these tanning vitamins,
You never
so.
got burned anyway because I
True.
put up. Because you use 70, not 30.
Oh, she called you out.
And
It's not even been a week since you burned me
Oh,
so much.
not every single day.
Okay, good for you. Stop doing some crap.
You finna get a weird tan with them Crocs.
No, he's not. He's not gonna get no tan because he put the sunscreen on. Oh wait, it was 30, so yes, he will. Where did I fanny pack or mine? I mean, they've already texted me about tomorrow, so I technically don't need anything. I just need a way to hold Allie's clothes when she get on water.
I'll take a bag on the off chance that we need a bag.
Okay,
That
don't
looks
take a bag.
sad.
No, don't take a bag. We don't need
You're
it.
asking me to do it.
No, we don't need it.
I feel like I look a little silly.
I don't think we need it. You don't look silly at all.
It's my hair clip.
It looks super cute. You're just not used to it. All right, I'm gonna smoke before we go, and then we're gonna go.
Okay. Beach, beach,
Boil the
beach,
face.
beach.
You could have been smoking while Allie was rubbing that.
yes, Gaga, you look so good. Oh my God, yes. Gaga, you look beautiful.
You got a funny fit on. like a toddler with this thing on.
You look touristy. That's what you're supposed to look when you're on vacation.
Mm-hmm.
I go maximum.
Tourist toddler,
I
that's
go
me.
maximum.
Beach, beach. Tourist. Itchy? Oh, this is cute, actually. The whole fit.
Yeah, you ain't taking that smaller the same time twice.
That part is I don't even intend to go different.
I almost ran into a pole. Hi, babes. On the side.
That's why they call them sandals.
That wave was crazy. That pigeon. How deep do you think that water is? I'm more interested in these waves.
You didn't wash all your sunscreen off.
I don't think I will.
Okay, now.
Snow!
I can't do it. Like, I wet, failing. Is that bad? I feel like that's bad. God, dude. I did. Get at it.
We showered. Did curl routine. First one ever. On the balcony. About to have dinner in like 20 minutes-ish. We're gonna eat a cheeseburger in paradise. Which doesn't sound that good, but whatever. Shower was awesome. Used curl cream for the first time today. I think it worked pretty well. I mean, I have pretty wavy hair, so that's my favorite case. Tree guy is unfortunately not here, which is pretty disappointing. Hopefully the curls stay. My gosh. He really went, ooh, woo! Oh, so I think my face got burned or something because my face hurts so bad. Oh, also, I kind of drowned, like, just a little bit. Wish I would have got that on camera, because that was so funny. Yeah, I hung out at the beach for, like, 2 hours. But I will see you guys in, like, 20 minutes. And I changed my outfit. I got the same shirt as yesterday, because I was cold. It's gonna help my skin or my face.
So do you have this?
I think I do. I mean, unless this makes it worse. But it shouldn't, so. And this. Oh. I know what I saw a kid use. That's in the bag over there. Oh, I forgot. When I put on my spray, it makes my lips go numb. I don't know why.
Okay.
That should be fine. Okay, my face might feel slightly heavy. Alright, there we go. Now, my face should feel a lot better. If it doesn't, then I tried. I don't have a sunburn. No. I always put on too much, never too little. Primer. I didn't need that much primer. Only like, oh, that just.
I forgot we got free slippers like this.
Oh, that's cool. I put too much again. My skin still feels dry. There ain't no way.
That's what happens when you go on this background. It's amazing.
I did not expect it to work that well.
Even if it hasn't worked its way inward, it's working.
Okay, what the heck? My phone keeps falling. Okay.
I should have worn a hat today.
It's okay.
It would have covered my body better. I wouldn't be all burned up.
I'm gonna put concealer on that pimple too. Don't let me forget.
I can't believe we have to be ready by 6:30 in the morning.
I know. I thought we had to get up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's what I thought. We will get up.
We're going to dinner. I think we're going to Cheeseburger in Paradise, but we might go somewhere else. Okay, there we go. Blush is done. By the way, I use the Rare Beauty blush. This Benefit Cookie highlighter. If I were to ever hit pan on anything the first time, it would definitely be this highlighter. Because I use this highlighter all the time. She is incredible. And I literally hate this concealer so much. Oh my gosh, I did not blend it all. I didn't blend this out at all. Oh my god, y'all. You're just gonna let me walk around like that. That's crazy. Fake. Literally fake. Oh my god. Fake. So fake. What the heck, guys? Because I only post once a month. Okay, this one's gonna be long or just like 5 videos. Okay, next. Which I love, but oh, she's a pain to take off. But here we go. Finished. Makeup look. Oh, hold on. Finished. Yay! And now we're gonna go to dinner soon. Because I think it's like 5 something. Guys. That must be like a horde or something. Look at them all. It's crazy. Yeah.
This is a cool place. Like, I like the vibe of it. You know, I like eating on patio.
Oh.
I'm just teasing you. Hi, bus.
Hi, bye.
I think that stands for Hawaii bus, but it's still Hi Bus Hawaii. So it can't be Hawaii bus, right?
Hi, bus.
Hawaii is Hawai apostrophe I. And I never noticed that before at home. They don't do that.
It's like with like Mexico. You know, you say Mexico if you're not from there, but like if you're from there, you say like Mexico. I think it's that kind of thing.
I like what I like, but I don't like to venture out.
Same.
I feel like it was the same price to eat the IHOP.
We should get donuts one day.
We gotta try the Donut King and we gotta try
The
Honolulu Cookie Company.
It's officially August season.
Salt air.
Taylor Swift. Okay. It's because it's literally August season. Like, I literally did 4 minutes of that. And I'm gonna get to what? Looks like this. No, I'm gonna use like a little dollop. About that Jay would say. We're going to scrunch the heck out of her. I mean, look at that. That already looks way curly.
Alright, girly girl.
How does this look? Oh, it's cute. Thank you.
I gotta put another sticker on that one something today, so that should work. You know?
Yeah.
Use some if you need some that you probably won't need.
Okay. 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 I'm gonna.
Did I rush you or tell you what to do? That it looks like it's 6:05, so.
If any. Okay. I mean, it looks kind of silly because my
But not as bad as I thought it was. So there's that.
hair's done. I think I'm only gonna do my skincare because like I don't really need anything else ever so slightly.
Light, so I'm gonna get it off where I have to cut it off. Oh, we tried. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, there. I don't know how, but I did.
I'm putting more of my hyaluronic acid. I think I'm only gonna do like skincare and not like makeup. I'm almost done. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything either. It just says
My skincare is done.
take out time 6:30. And I debated on whether to interrupt or not, and then at the last minute I said I'm gonna interrupt, and then I just interrupted. He gave me a look, and I said, "No, it's great." Because I thought that it's cool. And then I said, "Well, tell Al so she can take a picture too."
Just some minutes to my entry for Warsaw. We are in Hawaii, but the grind doesn't stop.
Maloney, my name is Will. You're stuck with me. Till, I don't know, 1 o'clock, I'll be starting a group chat like a group chat, I'll be sending out threads like for the kids. It's all about history. You guys sign up for this. I really feel sorry, and also the younger generation. Sorry guys, it's not going to be fun. It's all about history. I mean, I don't. Is history ever fun? No. Yeah, but it can be little. Let me finish my job, all right? And then then we're gonna talk about okay, and then we talk about restaurant. Yeah, you can ask me questions like for and Diamond Head. Anyone hike Diamond Head yet? Yes, no, planning to. Well, nothing. Right? Fireworks, 8 p.m. It was in Hawaiian Village. Over there. Beautiful. When I see have events like this, I know there's a funeral going on today for one of my group.
Go.
Spicy or like temperature?
Both.
You don't even really pull our water.
I'm enjoying my water.
For one, same.
I'm talking to you anyway. You just want to lay him at the bottom?
You can.
Are you gonna give me your phone so I can take your picture? Video you? This goes away. It's gone. Forever.
Looking all cute.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh. Good. Good. Yay.
I hope you took a picture.
We're back. So, I'm going to be doing a haul of everything I got at the ABC store. So first, I got Pringles because I need Pringles, otherwise I will physically die. I got this sweatshirt. It says, this is the islands, this is Hawaii. This says Hawaii, this one has the island. Pretty cool. Next, I got Lucky Charms, because obviously, finally, I got Dr. Pepper, 2 king-size Kit Kats. And that was everything I got at the ABC store. My parents got more, but I did not, so. Also, I couldn't film a whole bunch today because they didn't really allow it, but I will try to film more of it. Tomorrow's a free day, so we're probably gonna go to the beach or something. Again. And just, like, hang out. What I'll be doing, oh my gosh, I still have to edit this video. This video's gonna take forever to edit, but peace, y'all. Peace, peace, peace. I will see you whenever I do something interesting.